Are you looking for well-being programs for your teachers, staff, students, and parents that are innovative, evidence-based, and lighthearted? I suspect you are, and that's why you're here. But if you're like most schools right now, you're looking for a way to keep your remote community productive, energetic, positive, and inspire them with well-being benefits. Hello, I'm Michelle Chevalley-Hedge, a nutritional medicine practitioner, an international health author and speaker. I've worked with over 500 schools, private and public, and educational institutions on improving mental and physical well-being in a modern-day way, a no extreme way. As a former educator, I understand the time-poor teacher, the undernourished student, and the eager parent wanting the best for their child, but not knowing where to begin. I have successfully worked with the Department of Education, the New South Wales Primary Schools Principal Conference, Positive Education Schools Association in Australia and internationally. The primary objective of our live events and virtual webinars is to increase well-being, productivity, energy, creative thinking, strategic thinking, minimize risk factors for mental health, encourage mental resilience, improve sleep, immunity, concentration, and balanced moods. How can we do this and more? We can start with our wellness webinar series. You can choose one or all three. During the webinar series, you have the option to drop your school into a closed online group where we share healthy, easy, tasty, and affordable recipes, uplifting podcasts, positive interviews, and stress management techniques like meditation. We also offer a 28-day online program called Low Sugar Lifestyle. We add this to the webinar series. This allows the user to have daily information and reminders of easy micro habits that can be done daily for well-being. This is all done without taxing your human resources, as I know that you are all stretched. That is why we take the work out of this for you. I welcome all of you to view our long list of testimonials, and I'm always happy to introduce you to the schools that have metrics to show how successful and easy this can be. Drop me an email or give me a call so I can discuss how I can bring your school's well-being program to life in days. Our programs aren't expensive, they're data-driven, and we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. That's how serious I am about the ability to educate, inspire in a humorous fashion. Wellness doesn't have to be serious or expensive or extreme. Come join me.
After speaking to Michelle and getting advice from her, I felt like I had so much more energy, my stomach wasn't nearly as painful ever, and my skin cleared up like dramatically.
Since moving to a lower sugar way of life, I can definitely say that my performance in sporting has improved.
I have to say Michelle's approach has absolutely benefited me with my life. I studied so well in my HSC. Healthy living just gave me so much more energy, and my skin started glowing, my hair grew, and my nails were long. It was just everything you wanted for an HSC student.
The benefits have been huge in our family using Michelle's philosophy on clean food eating, especially because I've got a 17-year-old HSC student who's doing rugby and really busy, so getting that extra protein into his diet throughout the day has really made a difference to his concentration and just general health.
It's a really easy approach she takes, just sort of limiting the amount of sugars in my diet, and it's really helped me with my energy and especially concentrating during school and in my study.
She told us how we can have the same enjoyment of eating our food, but at the same time get health benefits from it as well.
We really feel that as a family we've benefited so much from changing our lifestyle. We have 3 young children ranging from a medical student through to sports boys who have all taken this on board with us, and now it's just part of our life.
She's really kind of taught us all how to find hidden sugars and how much sugar is in all the foods that we're eating day to day. I've learned so much from it and completely changed my diet, and basically my whole lifestyle has changed from that. From eating cleanly and reducing the amount of hidden sugars that used to be in my diet, my concentration levels have increased so much more, and just my ability to sit down at a desk and just work for hours on end has just changed completely.